Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, tonight we're gonna get some good little chicken wings here. We're gonna cook them up on the 360 griddle, and I'm not gonna waste any time. I don't think I did a good job on my last wing cook on the griddle, so I'm gonna do my best to redeem myself. So let's get going, guys. Before we get to the chicken, I want to show you this beautiful cutting board I just got from my buddy Russell. Is that not a beaut? Tell you what, stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you how you can buy one of your own. Okay folks, this is just, I don't know, 3-4 pounds. I really didn't check the weight on it. I just seen the family package. Just some wings I picked up at the local Meijer store, and I've cut them up, removed the flaps, and separated the flats and the drums. So let's get going. I'm just going on with just a thin layer of salt, pepper, garlic. I'm gonna follow that up with some Pit Boss Sweet Heat. I love this stuff. It's just turned out to be a really good rub that I've been using some. Used it on chicken. I think I've showed it in my video. I'm not 100% sure now. Give these guys a turn. Repeat, salt, pepper, garlic, more sweet heat. Now we just gotta wait for that griddle to come up to temp. Okay, we're on this on about medium heat. I want some olive oil here. I don't want it real heavy, so I'm gonna just kind of thin it out some. Be about perfect. Guess we're just gonna start putting these bad boys on. We will be turning often. I think it's been a few minutes, and we're just gonna start turning these guys. Oh yeah. Here shortly, we're going to turn this all the way down to low and just let them cook. I don't know if you can see that. That's getting a little crisp there. That's actually what I'm looking for. Perfect. Let that go a few minutes, and we're going to we might turn them again and turn it down to a low and just let them cook on. I wanted to get that crisp in there. We are moving along. We'll take this all the way down to as low as it'll go. And we just going to start turning this chicken often till we reach our temp. Keep in mind, these drums will take a little longer to cook, so you might see me turn one side off and move the wings over because they'll be done and the drums might take a little bit longer. It will probably take total time about 30 minutes or so. That sweet heat. I love that stuff. Now I'll move this one over here a little bit closer to the heat. Just do several turns before we're done. I'm going to move this one in here on some heat. Getting a little bit more concentration of heat right up here. I'm not sure why. And some of these I'm going to start pulling over here to this side. I've actually turned the fire off altogether on this side. Yeah. I'm going to start moving a few of these over here where the fire is off. It'll still get some residual heat. But at the end, we're going to glaze these. Yeah. I think most of the flats are probably going to be about done. Alright guys, we have hit that magical time when everything is back, is done. We're going to glaze these puppies off, get them inside, and get some dinner going. because I couldn't find nothing else that I wanted to use on these. I'm using some Sweet Baby Ray's, the honey chipotle. Always good stuff. I've used it plenty of times before. We're just going on with it, baby. I've got all the burners back on in the low position. We're just gonna get it all worked in. I'm gonna cover it for a minute. Let it set. I might even do this one more time. Amazingly. We need smell-o-vision, guys. Smell-o-vision. The reason I'm doing this is I want the barbecue sauce to come up to temp. All the chicken's done. I want the barbecue sauce to come on and just merge with this and heat on up with it and set on these wings. You know, I'm not real good with these tools yet, but you know, we're getting there. Guys, I'm gonna cover this up and let it set for a minute. And I will see you inside for a taste test. Come on in here and get some of this. I'm not sure when to say when here. Again, look at this beautiful cutting board. I'm going to tell you more about that here in just a second. Just going to come in here with my usual ranch dressing. Alright, let's go in with a little drumette here. Beautiful. Smells amazing. I wasn't sure about mixing that sweet heat with the chipotle, with the barbecue sauce, honey chipotle, but that's got a perfect flavor, guys. I was not expecting it to be that good. Another bite. I think I redeemed myself on the griddle. Wasn't too sure. I've only done wings on here once before. I showed that to you on the video, and when I went back and when it was all said and done, I wasn't overly happy. I know I got a lot of good comments, but I was not overly happy with that cook. I'm very happy with this one. So guys, thank you so much. Before I go, I want to show you this cutting board my buddy Russell over at Russel Cooks sent to me. He's selling these. He's making these and selling these out of his garage, guys. This is beautiful. I think he might correct me. I think this is oak with a little strip of maple, but it is an absolutely beautiful. I don't know the dimensions of it. Maybe a 12 by 20 or so. But I'm gonna put a link down below to his Facebook page. I'm also gonna give you his email address down below. If you are interested in a good solid cutting board, this is maybe inch and a quarter, inch and a half thick. Good solid, probably it's now my new favorite cutting board because I don't have a lot of good cutting boards, but this is beautiful, guys. Check out Russel Cooks and check out the links below. If you're interested in this, I don't want to price it for him, but I'm sure he will give you a good deal on it. And tell him I sent you. So, back to the food, guys. Did I meet everyone's approval on the food from my family?
Yes.
All right. Family approved. Ethan saying bye. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you have not already. We will see you on the next video, folks. God bless you. Bye-bye.